Equipment Shopping Spree, 4th grade class by Amy Soto. The equipment was ordered from S&S Worldwide. I ordered rubber basketballs, a set of 6 for $63.99. They're good for, of course, basketball, also just dribbling routines, strength training, and group games. Blue yoga mats, 10 mats, $22.99 each. They're good for indoor and outdoors, for stretching, and of course for yoga. Soccer balls, a set of 6, $63.99. They're good for soccer, for dribbling skills, relay races, and group games. Cones, a set of 6 for $20.99. These are good for organizing, for skill training activities, for marking areas in the field or indoors, outdoors. But I also like these because you could also add a little message on top. So it's good to maybe describe an area you're at or a center. Hula hoops, a set of 6, $41.99. They improve balance. They're good for relay races and obstacle courses. Ultimate Frisbee disc, a set of 6, $26.99. Good for catching, throwing, playing Ultimate Frisbee, group games, and they're also good for spot markers. Mesh bags, 2, $9.99 each. To store the equipment, organize them, and so it's easy to transport the equipment. Mechanical squeeze whistle, 1 whistle for $16.99. It's good for organizing, starting games, ending games, and I chose this over the regular whistle because we put germs on the other whistle because we put our mouth on it, and also the students could help with this one if they want to organize a game on their own or help to start or end a game. Rubber volleyballs, 2 volleyballs, $3.49 each. This is good for volleyball, indoor, outdoor games, and also group games. Elementary floor hockey, a set of 12, $84.99. It's a great group game. It teaches you hand-eye coordination, and you can play it standing or sitting. I've played this game before on chairs in the classroom, rolly chairs. 8 jump ropes, 8-inch jump ropes, 12 jump ropes, $2.99 each. These are good for single person use, partner use, or group games. It's good for relay races, obstacle course, and also balance games. The grand total was originally $665.71. I found a 25% off coupon that subtracted $166.45 from the order, so the grand total was $499.28.